Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to add guest name on booking.com. Just go ahead and open up the browser, and what I'm going to do here, we're going to just add a location. For example, let's say Jeddah, right? And I'm going to select here, and I'm going to just hit search right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just search for millions of homes right here, basically. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and enter that hotel or whatever it might be, right? And I'm gonna scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, and just go ahead and select the plan, right? And I'm gonna just move along to the next step, and basically they will direct you to another page, right? Basically you're gonna enter the guest details, and from there you're gonna enter the first name and the last name and email address and all that and important information to register under your name. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.